Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola, AE29 Fashion. So today's a quick video. It's literally just like a follow along with me while I sew this beautiful jumpsuit. So let's get into it. So like I said before, this is not a full tutorial, it's just following along while I do my sewing. So I'm just getting prepared, getting all my different patterns out and my fabrics out. So I'll be using two patterns today. I'll be using the bralette pattern and I'll also be using the palazzo pants pattern. I've now finished pinning down the trousers. This is the back pattern and now I want to start cutting it out. Now let's start laying down the front pattern. So moving on to the bralette, this is the waistband and the bust part of the bralette. So let's pin that down and also cut this out too. So I want to add some width to the waist of the pants. So I've taken the difference, which was an inch here in this case, and I've just added it on, as you can see from the video, and I've smoothed it into the crotch line. So this was on the front of the palazzo pants, it's the front pattern. So let's finish cutting everything out. So we need to make the rope for the spaghetti straps, which is going to help us hold the whole jumpsuit together. And the way I've done this is I've made a casing and then I've turned it, sewn it down, and I've turned it inside out using the pin, as you can see me doing here in the video. So let's start sewing the jumpsuit together and see the final look. I know guys, this is not a full tutorial, but I hope you guys were able to gain some tips and tricks from here, and I'll see you definitely in my next video. Bye. Oh yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.
That's why I got my outfit made, you know? Ain't nobody gonna be in this one.